Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Unplugged, where we delve into the innovative frontiers of technology. I'm your host, and today we're unlocking the world of mesh networks, specifically how to set up and manage large Wi-Fi mesh networks effectively using an open-source platform called openWRT. So what exactly is a mesh network? Picture a spider's web where each junction point can relay information. It's a system that offers seamless coverage and connectivity across large areas, making it ideal for both residential and commercial use. Now, if you've ever struggled with dead zones in your home or office, you know how frustrating that can be. But before we dive deeper, let's talk about openWRT itself. For those unfamiliar, it's a Linux-based operating system that can be installed on many consumer routers. What makes it especially powerful is its flexibility and the ability to customize your networking solutions. You could think of it like upgrading from a regular bicycle to a high-performance racing bike. More control, more features, but definitely requiring a bit more expertise to handle. Now, why do we care about managing mesh networks? For businesses operating in multiple locations, having a consistent and reliable Wi-Fi setup is crucial. Imagine managing dozens or hundreds of hotspots spread across different sites. Without proper tools, this can become quite the headache, right? Here's where our special hardware-independent openWRT extension comes into play. It acts like a Swiss Army knife for your networking needs. Utilizing POSIX-shell scripting as its main language, this extension allows users to set up, monitor, and manage a variety of mesh networks effortlessly. You can configure each location, troubleshoot issues remotely, and even handle billing and captive portals, all from one interface. Speaking of captive portals, these are often the first interaction users have with a network, just like a friendly receptionist at a hotel. They can be customized to provide branding or important information to customers. I mean, what's the first thing you do when you connect to Wi-Fi at a cafe? You usually see that welcome page, right? Now let's think for a moment. With this kind of system in place, businesses not only enhance connectivity, but also collect valuable data. Imagine being able to track user activity and optimally adjust bandwidth to ensure a smooth experience, almost like a restaurant adjusting its music volume based on the crowd's energy. But how do you get started with this openWRT extension? First, you'll need a compatible router. Once you have that, the installation process is fairly straightforward, especially with the community support behind openWRT. And after that, it's about configuring your mesh, setting up your management tools, and customizing your captive portal. Now let's wrap up with a thought-provoking question. Given the growing reliance on connectivity, how will advancements in mesh network technologies shape our future interactions, both personally and within businesses? It's certainly exciting to think about how a technology that used to feel out of reach is becoming increasingly accessible. Thanks for listening. We hope this episode demystified mesh networks and inspired you to explore the possibilities of openWRT for your own networking needs. Until next time, stay connected.